Happy Monday. I'm off for work today. So I would like to show you this beautiful Eureka Powerline 9 amp. It's a little beat up on the side. I've had this one since 2019. It's got some black tape holding a few parts together, but it still works. It's still in great condition. I've been trying to find another hood to this machine, but yeah, good luck with that. Anyway, here she is. Just wanted to show it off real quick. Well, I hope you all having a great day. Good morning. I'll see y'all soon. Peace. I'm Kevin Love.